What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD, and today we're going to be looking at a new desk mat from the company HYSTAR. So they claim to be a premium company but also affordable at the same time, and they came out with their Mythic version. So this one is their dragon version. They also have the griffen and the kraken. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below so that you guys go check them out. And I was really interested by the design. It honestly looks really cool. My setup is more of a white and red setup, so of course I went for the dragon version, plus I really like dragons. And then this one is a double XL size, so it's gonna fit of course the keyboard and the mouse. So let's dive right in, let's take a look at this, let's see how it is, and then of course we're gonna try this out and then give you guys my overall thoughts. Alright, so let's make a little tear right here so we can get that off. And of course, first impression, I love the packaging. Most desk mats come in just like a little plastic bag and all. This one comes in a nice box and is definitely feels premium, so they're definitely aiming for premium area. But this goes for around $40. And then ooh, look at that, the golden standard, that's very nice. And this comes in a nice little carrying case. Oh, we got a little coaster here as well. Oh, this is dope. Okay. Ooh, oh, we got a couple other stuff. We got a couple stickers. Let's move all this to the side. Okay, so of course they got their lifetime warranty. We stay behind our brand, which is very nice. So they got a sticker along with the share your opinion, leave a review. Very nice, very nice. And this is a cleaning guide, so this gives you roughly a 4-step on how to properly clean your mouse pad if for any reason it gets dirty or anything like that. So very nice. All right, let's move this all to the side and let's get into the actual mouse pad itself. I really like this packaging, very nice. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, all right, let's take a look at this. Woo. Check this out, guys, look at that. Oh, this looks super dope. All right, let's get that top down angle. Look at that, this looks honestly insane. I love the design of it, it looks really cool. Of course, we got the dragon right here. I love the red, white, a little bit of gray and black design. Very nice, very detailed. Taking a first look of it, very nice. And then of course we got text that probably says dragon. I'm not 100% sure, it might say mythic or something, but this first look as far as the printing and the design of it is really nice. It seems to be very sharp, very detailed. And then the mousepad itself is pretty thick. They say that it's about 5mm, which is a little bit thicker than the average mousepad, which is nice. The stitching on it seems to be pretty good. We got of course the HYSTAR logo right here. Okay. And then of course on the bottom we got a nice rubber padding to prevent it from moving or anything like that. So overall this seems pretty good as first impressions, first look of it. I see that the edges are a little bit raised up, so maybe throughout time hopefully it'll go down, but we'll see throughout time. But I'm gonna definitely be trying this out. I'm gonna be taking a look at it, mess around with it, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts in about a week or so, and then we'll see how this overall is. Alright, so after weeks of using this mousepad, this has become one of my favorite mousepads that I have ever owned, mainly due to the fact that it claims to what it actually is, and that is a premium mousepad. Everything about this is premium. The stitching of it, the vibrant colors, the detail of the artwork itself, the rubber base, all of it is really nice, and I have not seen it on any of the other mousepads that I've previously owned. Any of the other ones that I've owned have been very thin, they're flimsy, anything like that. The rubber base itself moves, unfortunately. So like stuff like this is the complete opposite. So the HYSTAR one, the rubber base itself, it doesn't move or anything like that. When I'm playing Apex, Call of Duty, or anything like that, or Halo, I'm moving that mouse, I'm moving the keyboard, I'm moving my wrist. This does not move at all. It stays in place. I'm moving my desk, but this doesn't move. But you could easily lift it up and have no problem with that. On top of that, the vibrant colors, the artwork itself is super detailed. It hasn't faded or anything like that. Even when I was washing it, you know, after that the colors didn't fade, the colors didn't become bland or anything like that. And I will mention that when I was washing it, after I washed it, I didn't want it to have it air dry for like 24 hours or anything like that. So I'm not gonna lie, I threw it into the dryer, I had it on for like about 5 minutes, and it dried everything completely. I don't recommend it. I don't think HYSTAR recommends it at all, but just want to let you guys know about that. I didn't want to really be patient. I'm very impatient when it comes to stuff like that. I want to rush it, so I took that chance, and no issues whatsoever when it comes to anything. Like nothing got damaged, thankfully. But anyway, getting back to it, the stitching as well is premium. Like nothing has come off.
There's no little pieces that I need to cut with some scissors or anything like that. The stitching of it is nice and premium, and on top of that, the thickness of it being 5mm, like you feel it. It feels nice. Like compared to other ones that are just so thin and flimsy, this feels good. It feels sturdy. It's not going to move. The color itself is nice and vibrant. Everything about it is detailed, and I've had no problems at all. And then not only that, but this having being a little bit of spill protection, like if you were to spill water or my G Fuel or anything like that, it just comes right off. You can use a paper towel, just wipe it off. Nothing really to worry about when it comes to that. And not only that, when I was washing it in the shower, it took a little bit of time for it to get actually soaking wet because most of the water was just coming right off of the mouse pad. So I really had to drench it into with the water in order for this to get soaking wet. But yeah, but honestly, this is a premium mouse pad. HYSTAR has done an amazing job with the Mythic lineup. Like I said, this is the Dragon version, but they also have the Griffin and the Kraken, and you can check out what else they have down in the description below. I'll leave a link there so that you guys can check out all the other designs that they have. They got the Pro Series, they got a whole bunch of different artworks to match your setup. They got different colors of the artworks, so like definitely go check them out. HYSTAR is really good when it comes to what they're doing, and I will continue purchasing XXL mouse pads from them, and if they have different versions of sizes and all that, I would love to see that later on down the road. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok. As always, Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!